How are you guys doing today? I'm doing pretty good, chilling like a villain. You already know. Thank you guys for coming back and checking out this video. If you are new here, what is good? It's your boy Will. Give me a pound. Okay. Today I got a really dope video set up for you guys to check out. We're going to be taking a look at the FlexiSpot all-in-one sit-stand desk. If you've never heard of FlexiSpot, they are an ergonomic furniture company who designs ergonomic office chairs, standing desks, even bikes that you can like exercise while you're working at your desk. Full transparency, FlexiSpot did provide me this desk to do this review, but like all of my videos on my channel, everything in this video is my opinion and what I think about the product. A few features that this desk has to offer is going to be anti-collision, which means that if the desk is in motion and anything gets in the way, the desk will automatically stop moving. There's also a locking button on the controller, and there's even a drawer with this, which I thought was pretty cool. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and check out the FlexiSpot all-in-one desk. Let's get it. This is the quick install all-in-one standing desk from FlexiSpot. The measurements of the desktop is going to be 47 inches in length and 24 inches in width. The height adjustment with this desk is going to be 28.3 inches all the way up to 47.6 inches high. The weight capacity of this desk is 110 pounds. So the first thing I noticed off the bat when I put this together was how easy the install process was. This desk comes in a total of 4 parts. You get 2 feet, you get the desk frame with the motor, and then you get the desktop. This desk came with 16 screws, an Allen key, and a few little cable management clips that you can stick at the bottom of the desk. To install this desk, you took 8 screws to screw in the legs to the desk frame and another 8 screws to screw in the 2 feet on each side of the legs. Flip it over and you're all set. It was very simple, and I know anybody can do it. That's how simple it was. All right, let's check out the desk and all of its features. So one thing to notice is the controller is actually built into the desk. And on this controller, you have an LCD screen which lets you know the height of the desk in inches. You have an up arrow, which will increase the height of the desk. You have a down arrow, which will decrease the height of the desk. You have 4 programmable preset buttons. You have 2 USB-A ports for charging, a USB-C port for charging, and a lock button. First thing you want to do is go to your desired height. And to lock this in, all you got to do is hold down one of the buttons for a few seconds. We move this down, and now we press the preset 4 button. It should go back to the height that we set for this button, which was 39.7. Just tap the locking button. It says lock. And this is like a child safety feature. So now if your kid comes over and just starts pressing buttons, it says lock. To release the lock button, you just tap it, and now you can see the desk is ready to move. With the anti-collision, so we're just gonna hit 4, and if I put my hand in front of it, soon as the desk feels something is in the way, it automatically stops moving up, which is good because I like my hand. Another thing to note about this is it doesn't just stop automatically, it kind of goes to a slowing stop. So as you see, if I was to press this down, and as soon as I remove my hand, it still goes down a few inches to come to a complete stop instead of just abruptly. This desk also features a pull-out drawer, which comes in handy when you need to clear up your desk space and hide away some of your junk. The desk drawer measures 26 inches in length and 12 inches in depth. The drawer doesn't give you a lot of room, but I really do love the fact that if I need to clear off my desk space, I can just put my keyboard and my mouse in the drawer. Another thing that I did appreciate with this desk was how quiet the motor was. If you were in an office space full of people, I don't even think that they would notice the sound of the desk going up and down. So a few cons that I found after using this desk for some time: there is a bar across at the bottom that goes across the desk, and I find that when I'm sitting at the desk, I either have to like use that as like a footrest, or I have to like put my legs on the other side. So another con for me is the way that the desk frame is designed. You can't really mount like a monitor mount. Now, as you see, I do have one on here, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a little sketchy, but it is kind of working out. The way the metal frame is connected to the desktop, you can't really like clamp, the C-clamp to connect the monitor mount. I also think that the motors move a little slow on this desk. Like by the time I press the button to go from sitting to standing, and then I'm already standing, it's not really like a big deal, but it's something I thought I would mention. The weight limit of this desk is 110 pounds. I don't really see it to be a problem, but to have a better peace of mind, I would like to have at least like 200 pounds. So all in all, I really think that FlexiSpot did a great job with this desk. I really love the fact that you have that pull-out drawer so you can hide like mouse, keyboard, maybe like a notebook or something when you're working at your desk. You also get your USB ports for charging up devices, which also powers right off of the power of the controller, so you don't have to waste like an additional plug on your power strip. Another thing is the anti-collision, which I think should be a standard when it comes to motorized desks, because that just gives me more peace of mind when it comes to safety. And I know that if my desk hits anything, it's not gonna break or damage it. It's just gonna stop and adjust to not damage my stuff. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first seen standing desks kind of hit the market at a reasonable price, I thought it was kind of gimmicky. Obviously, you don't want to be sitting down all day, so being able to stand is definitely a plus for your health. I think that this is a really great desk. It's at a great price at $399 for the all-in-one. You install it very quickly. You have a few features that other standing desks don't have, like the drawer, the USB-A ports for charging up devices, and even anti-collision. They actually make it in a few different color options. You do get a 5-year warranty. You do have a 30-day trial period, so you can buy this desk, try it out. Within 30 days, if you're not digging the desk, you can go ahead and send it back with the original packaging, and you will be reimbursed. If you want to check this desk out, I will leave a link down in the description. But with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up. Subscribe. If you're still here right now and you ain't subscribed, what you doing with your life? That's all I gotta say. Alright, I'm rambling at this point. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna holla at y'all next week in my next video. And remember, guys, never stop creating. Deuces. 4 programmable preset buttons. There are USB-A ports and a USB-C port right on the controller that you can plug in. There is